Hi everybody! My name is Miss Suail and this is Learn Papiamentu with me. Today with another special episode on learning how to count in Papiamentu. Last time we learned how to count from 1 to 10. And this time we're learning how to count from 11 to 20. Yes! Are you excited? Are you ready? Then say, sí, mi takla. Yeah! Today, I have a little basket and we're gonna look inside, to see what we can find, okay? So I'm gonna put it right here so we can start in a little bit. See. Ooh, what do we have here? Let's see what we have here. That's the number 11. 11 in Papiamentu is 10. 10. Okay, can you repeat after me? Say 10. Good. 10. Yeah. Let's see what else we got. Whoa. 12. Number 12 in Papiamentu is 12. 12. Can you say that? Say 12. Good. Okay, repeat after me. 12. Yeah. Okay, Kiko mas meeting. What? This is not a number. This is a turtle. And the turtle has handelsskade on top. This is the building Peña, right in the heart of Curacao, where we speak Papiamentu. Hi, little turtle. Hi. The turtle is saying bye. Ayo. Kiko mas meeting. See what else we got here. Kiko mas. Whoa. Hey. What? 13. That's the number 13. 13 in Papiamentu is 13. 13. Can you say that? Say 13. Good. Let's say it together. 13. Yeah. Kiko mas no sing. Oh. 14? 14 in Papiamentu is 14. Yeah. Can you say 14? That's long. Okay, let's say it. 14. Okay, let's say it together. 14. Now, all together. 14. Yes, that's 14. In Papiamentu, you say 14. What else do we have here? Kiko mas meeting. Oh, 15. 15 in Papiamentu is 15. Yes, 15 is 15. Can you say 15? Okay. Repeat after me. 15. Okay, all together. 15. Oh, people. Kiko mas meeting. 16. 16 in Papiamentu is 16. 16. Okay. Can you say that? Say 16. Good. 16. Wow. Kiko mas meeting. Whoa. This is not a number either. This is a keyboard. Let's play music. Ooh. Wow. Okay, let's not get distracted. We still need to collect more numbers. Kiko mas meeting. Kiko mas meeting. 17. 17 in Papiamentu is 17. Yes, 17. Can you say that? Say 17. Good. Wow. Let's say it together one more time. 17. Good. Okay. Kiko mas. What else? Whoa. 18. 18 in Papiamentu is 18. 18. Can you say that with me? Say 18. Hopi po mucho ng 18. Kiko mas nos ding. Kiko mas. Whoa! 19. 19 in Papiamentu is 19. Yes, 19. 19. Okay, repeat after me. 19. Good. That is 19. And Kiko mas nos ding. Whoa. 20? 20 in Papiamentu is 20. 20. Yes. Let's say that together. 20. Now can you say that? Say 20. Wow, hopi bon. We just learned number 11 to number 20 in Papiamentu. Can we repeat all together? Yeah? But in order for us to repeat them, I need some help. Let's see. What else we got here? Oh, this is heavy. Pizza. Hope pizza. Wow. Isn't this fun? Now, we are going to go and see if we remember all the numbers we just learned. Okay? Okay. Jesus. Diez dos. Diez tres. Diez cuatro. Diez cinco. Dieciséis. Diecisiete. Dieciocho. Diecinueve. Y 20.
What a blast aquí con grande! Look at this balloon, how big!
Mi por conta, pokewak, pokewak. 10, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9 y 20. Mi por conta, bokewak, bokewak. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Contamos ng amita Omi. Laganos van repasa número 1 teco 20. Bosanta cla 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Pero ti más. 10 10 2 10 3 10 4 10 5 10 6 10 7 10 8 10 9 y 20. Nos al llega 20. Hope leuk, no? Conta di unte 20. Te después.
Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!